Trade intuition, marking key levels and keeping it real. But new traders cry thinking we steal.
You stole my chart.
That's what they say, but the levels don't change, they've been that way. Experienced traders, we see the same zones, support and resistance, that's how it's known. Price touch once, then it touched twice. Market up clean, yeah, that's precise. Trade intuition, don't play those games. You're new to the charts and don't know how to trade. Tell me you're new without saying a word. Crying about charts, yeah, that's absurd. We see the same moves, price don't lie. Levels been there, open your eyes.
Yeah. Open your eyes.
They act like they found some secret key, like support and resistance ain't plain to see. Trade intuition, just laugh and move. Been trading for years, sticking to rules. Zone been tested, history clear. Fake accusations, we don't do fear. Market upright, wait for the break. Risk on lock, no trades on faith.
No need to flex, no need to fight. Charts don't change overnight. Patterns repeat, same old game, but new traders quick to place the blame.
Tell me you're new without saying a word. Crying about charts, yeah, that's absurd. We see the same moves, price don't lie. Levels been there, open your eyes.
Yeah. Open your eyes.
Trade intuition, don't claim what ain't new. Price action, clean, do what it do.
They mad at the truth, but facts remain. Price moves in zones, always the same. Stop with the noise, stop with the hate, or get left behind. It's never too late.
No shortcuts, no hidden codes, just structure, patterns, highs and lows. Trade intuition, see the game unfold. Why they stuck on drama, losing control. Real traders mark up the same damn line. Ain't nobody stealing, it's all online. New traders mad, but they'll soon see. Price repeats, just history. Tell me you're new without saying a word. Crying about charts, yeah, that's absurd. We see the same moves, price don't lie. Levels been there, open your eyes. Yeah. Open your eyes. Trade intuition, breaking it down. Teaching the truth, no fakes around. No flex, no stress, no games, no lies. Let's make this money, watch it rise. Let's make this money.
Oh, here we go, guys. Here we go. I love that part. Tell me you're new without saying a word. You stole my chart. Oh, I love it. Here we go in 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. And here I am. Lights are on. All right, good stuff. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. So let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where I show you how to successfully trade without stealing people's charts. There you go. I said it. I said it. That's right, guys. That's right. Don't need to steal charts when you can see what I can see. I can see levels, support, resistance, trend lines. That's how we trade. That's how we trade. All right. Speaking about trading, let us look at the crypto bubbles. Right now, Hex is down 18.2% on the hourly time frame. That's a huge dump. All the rest of them, it's whatever. I mean, some are down barely 1%, some are up barely 1%. Let's go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, looks like it's going down. Now, I'm pretty sure if we look at Bitcoin, it will say down, 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 down. So we'll check it out. I mean, some are up. We have Cake up, which is, pretty good considering the most of the market's down. So if you have any questions, comments, I love questions, guys. I really do. And matter of fact, if you are out there and you're kind of confused on just trading in general, ask me. Instead of paying somebody $99 an hour, ask me and I will show you my thought process on it. Now, if you're an experienced trader, ask me questions that you had when you were starting out. That way it's going to help those beginners, because we don't know what questions to ask. As a beginner, we don't know until we go through those experiences like, oh man, this and this happened. How can I not have this happen again? Or reduce the chance? Or if you're a trader that kind of wants to see where I'm at, ask. This is the biggest thing that I do. I ask questions. When I see people trading, ask questions to see if they know what they're doing. Some of them, very obvious, very, very obvious. They don't know what they're doing. They can, you know, do a good spiel and say, here's a level, this is blah, 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 and this is what I would. But when you ask why, like, why would you pick that level versus like another level? The easiest response, well, it depends. You know, if you have a higher time frame, it's going to be stronger versus a lower time frame, which will be weaker. And you know, then you go into that spiel. But they're like, why would I pick this level? Like they don't even know why they're picking the level. So ask questions. For me, it's extremely important to verbalize my thought process so you know exactly not only what I'm doing, but why I'm doing it. I recommend this to everybody. Ask the next time you see somebody doing charts or whatever, ask questions. See if they truly know it, or if it's something they're just I'll pick this level. Why? Well, this was a weekly level, so that means it's very strong. There was 5 touches throughout the weeks. So because of that, it's extremely strong level. We can go to the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and then we can see other levels. Now they're all strong, but the higher the time frame, the stronger it is. The more stops that you get, the stronger it is. Because the price action went and it couldn't go any further, it stopped there. So that it's literally a stopping point until it breaks above, and now it's a support point, and it's a very strong support based off of the previous resistance. So this is extremely important. Ask questions. Be careful with who you're following. All right, that's all I got. Let's see here. Let's go on to, well, I tell you what, here's my buddy. This is Crypto Blood. Crypto Blood, love this dude. He pretty much trades using support resistance. Love this dude. I met him on last season of Trading Wars. Love this dude. A very smart guy, man. This guy is super smart. He hangs around with smart people. Here's Army Piper. You know, talking his stuff as far as the economy and just everything else. So much alpha. It is nuts. It is nuts. I didn't get a notification, but so I just started watching it maybe like 30 minutes ago, 40 minutes ago. So I missed the very beginning of it, but I'm definitely gonna have to watch this one again. And let's go to open new link. There's my buddy right here, Crypto Blood. So let me go ahead and put this in the chat. You know, if y'all want, go follow him. I recommend him. You know, I like the dude. I like how he trades. I like how he explains things. He doesn't have a whole bunch of craziness on his stuff. He does have, you know, things that I don't do, but people don't have to do exactly what I do for me to like him. They don't. I mean, they can use all these different things or a different way of trading. As long as it's working, as long as it's good, use it, you know? So just give you a heads up. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Piper, of course, for Piper Academy. They still haven't updated this. There's a lot of people that aren't going to be there anymore. But Piper Academy, this, man, like, I strongly recommend everybody watching. This is at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Watch him. Dude knows his stuff. Hands down. Probably. So there's people who know markets as far as the economy and the stock market and everything else. Then there's people who know the crypto markets. This guy knows both, and he shows you every single day. So definitely check him out. Let me go ahead and put on this as well. So definitely check him out. Let's see here. CJ says, wasn't CryptoFace supposed to be on there? I never see crypto on Crypto Wars. Yeah, so CryptoFace, he shows up when he shows up. He's pretty much the star diva of the show. and I don't mean diva in a bad way. Diva as in he can do whatever he wants. Dude is like, I don't want to say, dude is, there's like a famous movie star, I guess. But when he's on, man, dude is freaking funny like crazy. And so like when they have to battle him, he'll be on. And sometimes when it's just all of them trading, he'll be on. Sometimes he's asleep because he trades all night. Sometimes he has other, things that he has to do. But for me personally, I love trading wars. Crypto Keeper. To me, he's a pretty good dude. I messaged him, but sometimes he sees my messages, sometimes he doesn't. Because again, I speak the truth. Give you a heads up. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Swag and Sword Tricks. What's up, brother? What is up? All right. So these are the ones that I strongly recommend. Of course, there's others too, but let's see here. Last night on Piper Academy, we went over this last night. I did another stream, a midnight stream, but let's go to lives. Last night on Markets After Dark. So for here, let's go ahead and mute this and see Lunar Beaches Crypto. He was talking about these zones, these sessions. And of course, and I mentioned this last night too, I know about the sessions and everything else, and I've known about it for years. But what he was doing was he was showing what already happened. And I never looked at it like that. So this is why I recommend everybody watch different people, because there may be stuff that that you didn't put like one and one together when you were looking at it. Because when I first was looking at this was years ago, and now with the stuff that I know, and now looking at this, like a light bulb turned on last night. And so I told Lunar Beaches Crypto, he's actually the MAD. This is Markets After Dark's portion of Piper Academy Network. And I told him, I said something along the lines of, I don't think I saved it. Something along the lines of, I'm just watching you show what already happened. Because I'm really, because he sneezed and I was like, oh, bless you. Right now, I'm just really focused on you showing what already happened. And he kind of went, So I was like, oh man, I hope he doesn't think that was like a slight comment or rude. And that's why I hate doing texts, because somebody can misinterpret it. And what I was saying is you can see what happened in that section, what already happened, so you can back test it. And then so I made another comment saying something along the lines of, did I save it? I don't even know if I saved it or not. Let me double check really quick, just so I'm not misquoting. Dang it, I didn't save it. But yeah, so I made another comment. I was like, yeah, I'm like focused in, I'm taking notes, and I did take some notes. I'm focused in and I'm taking notes, and and you can tell that he was like, are you being serious right now, or are you kind of being sarcastic? I was like, no man, I'm being serious. This is very interesting to me. This is very I'm literally taking notes. And you can kind of tell he's like, I don't know. But my comment, because he is showing what already happened. So my comment saying, you're showing what already happened, it kind of I was like, oh no, dude, you're showing what already happened. And I never put that together. I knew about sessions, but I never thought about back testing it, pretty much what he's showing. And it's like, dude, it clicked. But then after a few of the him kind of are you being sarcastic right now? I was like, man, I'm gonna stop talking, because he's already in that mindset. And I even put, no man, I'm not being sarcastic, I'm being serious right now. But he was already in that mindset, is I just stopped typing. a lot of stuff happened yesterday, so I don't know what's going on. But I recommend watching him too. You know, he was going over some really great information, and of course we have the indicator it's a free indicator that does all this as far as, you know, showing you the sessions. And what I'm gonna start doing, I haven't done it yet, I've been doing a bunch of stuff with the group. What I'm gonna start doing is seeing what already happened to see when is the most, I guess, volatility. Now granted, the way I was doing it, level, alert. I trade when my alert goes off. But if I want to do some like scalp trading, and the importance is I give you a small time frame. So if I want to do some scalp trading just whenever, I can be like, okay, well, let me look at what's already happened. Let's do this session and let's make some money. You know, short time frame. So give you a heads up. All right, moving on. All right, let's see here. Let's go ahead and pause this. But yeah, I think my communication skills are good. I do. But I don't like typing. I'd rather do voice so you can hear the inflection in my voice. And I even put that too. I was like, man, that's why I hate typing. No, like, and I would send him a message, but he doesn't use Telegram. So, and you know, I sent him a message and he won't read it for like 2-3 weeks. And so hey man, I sent you a message. Oh yeah. Same thing with me. I don't check Discord. I don't go to Discord really. Just use it for Piper, for their Discord. Let's see here. CJ says, I agree. Even if you don't trade the sessions, knowing it can really save you from getting the wrong trade. Yeah. As a matter of fact, last night, and CJ brought it up too, where the last hour you don't want to trade, and that's what Lunar Breaches Crypto, LBC, was saying. And I was like, there was a point last night where I said, I would have entered the trade. This is this is the lower portion of the range. I'd enter the trade. But now if I had that information where you don't want to trade that 1 hour before the end of the session, then I'd be like, let me wait. If it goes up, I might get it because it might go into the next session, you know, as a pump. But let me just kind of wait. That was good. Let's see here. Uncle Jesse says, true. I've always texted him and got a voice message back. Oh yeah, speaking about me. Yeah, because there's sometimes where I can type something, but if your mind is in either the wrong place or maybe you read it wrong, because that happens to a lot of people. It's funny. I forget what those two guys, they're black dudes. They do a lot of comedy skits where, you know, one of them's playing the game and the other one's in the kitchen, and he's like, are we still on for tonight? And the dude reads it, it's like, are we still on for tonight? Yeah, we're still on for tonight. And then the dude reads it, who's playing the game, he reads it, it's like, yeah, we're still on for tonight. All right, cool. You know, what are you bringing or whatever? And then dude reads it like, what am I bringing? Man, like, I'm bringing this and that, blah, blah. And then the dude reads it like, oh, okay, cool, he's bringing that. I'll tell him, you know, I'll do this. And he types it, and the dude gets it, like, you'll do this and this. Oh, so like it's completely like the miscommunication's there. That's why I personally like doing voice messages. That way there is zero miscommunication. It is strictly because you can hear the inclination or the tone of my voice. But anyway, so I still need to reach out to him. Like, dude, I wasn't being sarcastic. I need to reach out to him because I would hate for somebody to think something. I was like, maybe he should reach out to me. Yeah, man, no problem. All right, very good. But yeah, he did a great job showing what already happened. And I don't know why he would get offended by that. I mean, he was literally showing what already happened. And that's what I was commenting on. And I never looked at it like that. Like, to see what already happened in the sessions, so you can kind of map out what is, like if you're gonna scalp, especially, like when the best session to scalp. So that it like turned on a light bulb. I was like, oh man, I feel really dumb because like I knew this and I knew this, I just never put it together. And last night was an eye opener. So kudos to him. Yeah, definitely, guys. Smash the like. It does help support the channel. All right, moving on. Let's go ahead and continue. What are we gonna look at? Let's look at liquidations. We haven't looked at liquidations. If you have any questions, guys, please let me know. Please let me know. I'm here to help. I am here to show you how to trade. Showing you how to trade in the most simplistic form. And I make a lot of enemies. Joe, you're a victim. No, I'm a result of truth telling. That's what I am. So 82,481 is the price for 53 million liquidation. Okay. So up, and then we have one that's down, which is at 8806. 80806. 65.84 million. So we have more to the downside. Does that mean it's going to come down? No. It could go up before it comes down, or it could go down before it goes up. This is why we trade level by level. Let's go to the 12-hour time frame just so we can get some more information. Again, we do have some up here, 82,450, and some down here at 8719. All right, so again, it's pretty much really close. We are closer going up than going down. Right now, we are in a short. Let's look at total liquidations really quick before we get to Bitcoin. And let's see here. So the 1 hour on the longs, we have the longs getting wrecked. 4 hour, we have the longs getting wrecked. 12 hour, we have the longs getting super wrecked. 24 hour, we have the longs getting wrecked. All right, with all that being said, let us look at, close your eyes. Close your eyes. There you go. You can open them. You can open your eyes now. Sorry about that. So now we're looking at Bitcoin. Now, if you are a YouTube member, I do a lot of videos. There are so many times where I get very, very disappointed when I look at my numbers because of the information that I have. And I feel like just saying, okay, guys, I'm getting back to my work. I gotta go. See ya. So I need your help, guys. I do need your help. Please, smash the like, share this out, let people know about this channel. I'm giving out a bunch of updates on the YouTube members. So if you're a YouTube member, the higher tier you go, the more you get. So here, I actually did 2 updates for back-to-back, really. Well, a few hours after, so 15 hours and then 1 hour ago. And this is a Bitcoin update along with, just thought process on some of the trades. Let's see here. This is the information for the group right here. If you're interested in it, definitely check it out. The link, well, not the link, but reach out to me, trade_intuition. I can give you more information about that. All right, moving on. But this one right here was a really good one. And I talk about this. Let's see here. CJ says, we are getting a little bounce off the local value area low on Bitcoin. Wonder if it will hold. Possible. Wes says, alpha videos, don't get discouraged. Keep it trucking, Joe. You push through. Yeah, it's extremely discouraging. It's like everybody's hungry. And you have some people that are selling stuff or offering stuff or whatever. And, some of them are good, some of them are bad. And then I'm here, with a whole bunch of, let's say they're seeds to plant corn or whatever. And I have all these plants, all these seeds. And it's like, guys, come on. I got seeds for you so you can grow. And nobody. So it's extremely discouraging, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Of course, with me, drama follows because I speak my mind, and that's the downside of being, or rather of having, morals, ethics, integrity. It's not easy. It isn't. It's very, very very discouraging. We'll put that one. All right, moving on, Joe. Come on, Joe, get back on the show. All right, fine. Let's see here. So last night, well, I believe it was yesterday, we were talking about this, or last night. I make so many videos, it's ridiculous. We're saying that, you know, it could do this where it comes down here, bounces off of this level, which is right here, comes up to maybe this midpoint before coming down. Sure enough, all in all, price came down, came up to this midpoint area, and then came down. Now we had different scenarios, and this is what you have to do. You have to have different scenarios so that if one doesn't play out, well, then the other one does. We're thinking maybe come down here, bounce off of this midline, come up, get rejected, come down, bounce here, and then now, okay, let's go. It's probably going to start going long now. But that didn't happen. This ended up happening. And then so now it's like, all right, so our short is playing out. Then we're saying we might get a bounce here. Sure enough, bounce, broke through. And then I made an updated video. And when the price was right here, you know, we had this nice downfall. The price was right here. I'm saying we might come up and either get rejected here, which is this level, which was support, or we might get rejected here. Sure enough, price came up, broke through our level, went to our area that we thought it might bounce or get a rejection from. Sure enough, came down, broke this level, and now coming down. Now, and I circled this too because this was saying that, see, the price was here. This was saying, you know, we're looking for this bounce. And sure enough, it did bounce once, broke through. Now it's getting rejected. And I actually made that updated video about an hour ago that we may get rejected here. What we want to see, price was about right here. What we want to see is what is it going to do? Like nobody knows what's going to happen. You can have indicators. You could say you have bullish divergence right here. I don't know if we do or not, but let's just say we do have bullish divergence and price starts coming up. Well, I know price is going to come up. We have a higher likelihood of it because look at this big old candle. I don't need to see divergence. I can see it on the chart. We have a pretty good chance price is going to come up. Now, if there is bullish divergence, where is it going to stop? Is it going to stop here? Is it going to stop here? Is it going to stop way up here? Like nobody knows where it's going to stop. So it could, the bullish divergence could play out, come up to here, get rejected, and now the bullish divergence is done. So this is why I'm thinking the price action, if there is, I don't even know, but if there is, price action may come up. We're looking for a rejection here for our shorts to continue playing out. If we break above this level, now we're looking for it to hold support and then break the pivot, something like this. So we could do this, get rejected here, come down, find support, come up. Now we're thinking, oh, we had another pullback. More than likely now we'll go up until we go down. What do I mean by that? Well, the bigger picture, we could be doing something like, here's a high, we come up here, and then we do this, creating a lower high. So now, because we're in the 15-minute time frame, now by doing this, this is the bigger picture of, okay, now we have, oh, look, we have a shoulder, head and shoulder. Or if you, I guess, you can, it's ugly, but there's so many traders out there that will do that. And then now it's like, okay, now we're coming down again. Or we do a higher low, bounce off of here again. Guess what we're doing? Now we have possible an uptrend. So once again, like nobody knows what's going to happen. So it's that or possibly this. And all we're doing is trading level by level. The macro, the bigger picture, if we do break below this and stay below it, then what we're looking for, I love the 1 hour on this. What we're looking for is this level, this blue line. We don't want candles closing underneath this blue line, 78258. We don't want that. If that happens, now we have an extremely strong chance for the price action to come into our zones that are over here. And my target area of a possible bounce is 71780. That's what I'm looking at. But I must stress this. If you ever hear somebody say, that it will do something, or this is the area that it's going to. Be very careful, guys, because that's all speaking in absolutes, which is extremely biased. It will do this. It has to do this. It broke this level. Price doesn't have to do anything. It can do whatever it wants. If it wants to go down until it goes up, it'll do just that. So just be very careful. Let's go 15-minute time frame. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? Speak now or forever hold your peace. Let's see here. CJ says no bullish divergence that I can see. Okay, awesome. Actually, yeah, maybe there's bullish divergence. It's close. Okay, well, let's check it out. See here, we have a low, and so no bullish divergence. Let's go on the 1 hour time frame, and we have no bullish divergence. Let's go on the 4 hour time frame. Nope, I don't see any. I don't want to go any higher than that. Fine. Why don't you want to go any higher? Okay, we have bearish divergence. So let's go ahead and hide this. So we're looking at high, the green. So we only matching the greens with the greens, the reds with the reds. We never match a green with the red. It's always tops and bottoms. And here we have a green, high, green, higher. Here we have our high, and then we have our lower high. So this is bearish divergence on the daily time frame. The bearish divergence could play out passing this, coming all the way down, or it could play out until it stops and then it comes up. And then we can say, okay, the bearish divergence played out. There you go. There you go. Let's go 5-minute time frame just for the giggles. Nothing. I got nothing. All right, very good. So right now we're looking forward to see what happens here. Are we getting rejected? Are we finding support? What's going on? All right. Yeah, I'm gonna leave, guys. I'm gonna leave. No one's here. I mean, y'all are here, and I appreciate y'all greatly. We'll see. Let's jump out to this song. I really love this song. Here we go.
Trade intuition, marking key levels and keeping it real. But new traders cry, thinking we steal.
You stole my chart.
That's what they say, but the levels don't change. They've been that way. Experienced traders, we see the same zones. Support and resistance, that's how it's known. Price touch once, then it touched twice. Market up clean, yeah, that's precise. Trade intuition, don't play those games. You're new to the charts and don't know how to trade. Tell me you're new without saying a word. Crying about charts, yeah, that's absurd. We see the same moves, price don't lie. Levels been there, open your eyes.
Yeah. Open your eyes.
They act like they found some secret key, like support and resistance ain't plain to see. Trade intuition, just laugh and move. Been trading for years, sticking to rules. Zone been tested, history clear. Fake accusations, we don't do fear. Market upright, wait for the break. Risk on lock, no trades on faith.
No need to flex, no need to fight. Charts don't change overnight. Patterns repeat, same old game, but new traders quick to place the blame.
Tell me you're new without saying a word. Crying about charts, yeah, that's absurd. We see the same moves, price don't lie. Levels been there, open your eyes.
Yeah. Open your eyes.
Trade intuition, don't claim what ain't new. Price action, clean, do what it do.
They mad at the truth, but facts remain. Price moves in zones, always the same. Stop with the noise, stop with the hate, or get left behind. It's never too late.
No shortcuts, no hidden codes, just structure, patterns, highs and lows. Trade intuition, see the game unfold. Why they stuck on drama, losing control. Real traders mark up the same damn line. Ain't nobody stealing, it's all online. New traders mad, but they'll soon see. price repeats, just history. Tell me you're new without saying a word. Crying about charts, yeah, that's absurd. We see the same moves, price don't lie. Levels been there, open your eyes. Yeah, open your eyes. Trade intuition, breaking it down. Teaching the truth, no fakes around. No flex, no stress, no games, no lies. Let's make this money, watch it rise.
And I love that part. Tell me you're new without saying a word. That's so funny. Oh, love it. All right, guys. Thank you so much. You guys are great. You guys are amazing. I'll probably go live later on today. I'm going to start probably doing different times. So make sure the notifications bell on. I'm going to go live like, shoot, man. And now, granted, I know there's a lot of people that aren't, you know, interested right now in crypto. I get it, but you just know you can make money both ways. But anyway, so I'm gonna probably just go live like just random times, 12, 4, 7, 9, 11, 12, just because I need to get my numbers up. I really do. And we'll see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm trying to save people, guys. Like I really am. I'm trying to save people, and it's really an uphill battle. So I appreciate everybody sharing. I appreciate everybody liking. I appreciate everybody commenting. You guys are the best. You guys are the absolute best. And I'm going to be doing just a whole bunch of streams and see people come in. All right. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.